Alright, hello and welcome back. Let me just check that it's recording, right? Let me adjust the sound a little bit. There we go. The volume was really low in the last video. Anyways, there will be no Bloomberg today. We're just going to do a Redrawal. I'll start with the usual disclaimer as always. Nothing is for sale. Nothing is monetized. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates. There aren't even ads on the YouTube videos. The only link you'll find is to my Discord, and that'll be in the description of all my fucking videos. And my Discord is just people chatting shit. Thank you for it went in. It would have hey, do make money on the live. Okay, so I think he said he would have. Anyways, it's just trading talk. Me posting my trades. I post every trade before I go into one. And I post my videos in my Discord. That's it. With that said, let's conclude these 3 trades that I posted for the week. This one, if you watch the previous videos, you know I got out with this one with a 100 point increase to TP when it was at the ATH, sorry, and almost to TP. I was at like percentage point. But I was at half risk. I went down to 0.5 instead of 1% exposure, and from my TP being 2% to 1%. So it was a 0.5% win for me. I don't know where you guys got out, but I told everyone if you're not at BE by this one or a little bit over 0.1 or whatever, you're just gambling. So everyone that was in this one should have made money. Good work. Your USD, yeah, this one you should fucking choice on this one. Yeah, and this one is there's 12-hour entry. Yeah, this was even an extension because we were counter trending. So it was 1.5 on entry, 2.5 exit. I didn't get to enter any of these trades, only one of them, because my account is now at 10.1% for the month, and my limit, again, if you watch me regularly, you know my limit is 10%. If you watch me regularly, these things must get pretty repetitive, because I always try to kind of assume that it's people's first time watching. So what I'm gonna do now is redraw. Only problem really is that I have a fracture in my wrist, which is gonna intricate the process a little bit, but I think it will be fine. So we need to go into that one day and look at some things. Yeah, this one looks fine, to be honest. We just need to crash somewhere. Same with this one. We already do have levels here though. There we go. It's right at a level. Very interesting. Could pull the point down a little bit, bring it down a few points. Yeah, this is a mess. Let's redo this. Yeah, I got this fixed, by the way. It doesn't show on the 12-hour anymore, as you can see. Now it's just on the 1 day, like it should. Remember, only count your 200 MA on the 1 day plus or so, not on the 12-hour where we go very often, and sometimes on the 8-hour for trades. Yeah, let's get some levels in. On these ones we have to go back quite a bit. It's fine. So start at the bottom, top, and then do the middle, but there isn't really a middle here. Is there anything between? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This area is actually could be considered congested. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, a little bit. That's alright though. We'll get to those levels when the market's actually open. But with the Trump 100% fucking tariff on SPY, him not giving a shit, I honestly don't know how many breakouts there are gonna be. Like, I think my SR areas are gonna just blow to hell, get their backs blown out, gone, all of them, on Monday when we open. I think there's gonna be so much shit moving. It's very good. Looks like we finally had a level here made. Let's redo it, the whole shit. Yeah, I really think that it's making it so easy to trade this month. This is the 4th consecutive month where I'm at my limit for the month. Like 4 months in a row. Yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 months in a row. And that's not normal, bro. I'm used to having more red weeks, months, multiple consecutive red months in a row. All that stuff is normal. And all that stuff is fine as well, mind you. You haven't failed if you got a red month. In my beginner guide, if you have read it, you know it says that the one that's right here in the Discord, just a beginner guide. Stuff to read. But yeah, a good trading strategy is not defined by how you can win trades, like at all. Anyone can win a trade. But it is rather defined by how your strategy handles losing trades. Losing trades consecutively. Having a red week, red month, 2 red months in a row, 3. I often have 3, almost every year, in a row, and I'm still profitable. Nothing cracks. There's no panic. The fucking marathon keeps running, yeah? So start at the bottom, and then we'll move on to the top, double tip top here, and then do the in-betweens, the usual schedule. It's going a little bit slower because of my wrist. Isn't much to draw in here. It's kind of the Wild West. Yeah, this shit is crazy though. It's been gapping. It's hard to draw on gappers. I think this is an ATL one. Yeah. I'm not interested in 80s levels either exactly. This one would have been a gapper, but too much volume. I think these levels are fine. Yeah, it's just polishing. We'll start at the bottom here, and then we'll do the top. Why did I have that level there? In connection to what? Was it these? Maybe. Or no, I think I was trying to just range it. Let's have a look. Because it has broken these levels, right? And the older a level is, the less relevant it is. So when we're back here in, what is this, 2009 or some shit? It's 2009. They're not strong at all. So I will make exceptions for areas like these where I see a strong reaction and allow a singular point to be enough. But those are exceptions. Don't do that. We got level as well. Strong reaction on both too. So I can set this one down here. And then this one here. Yeah. Yeah, this is a zone. This whole place. Very interesting, very good. That looks better to me. I don't know if I can redraw this. There isn't much to draw on. No. This one can fine. Yeah. It's looking interesting actually. Yeah, another gapper motherfucker. Let's see. When a pair gaps up to a level like this, they very rarely sustain those levels. I'm gonna make this exception again. Very rarely. It's not common. They usually just come right back down. Beyond that, it's fine now. Yeah, we're gonna assume that this is the new level as well. Yeah, this was a winning trade, that's fine, so we're gonna keep that in a very good one. Yeah, what the fuck? I mean, this level is fine down here where it's been sort of. I mean, the levels, there is volume in them, but you can see there's these singular candles that are blowing it all out. And it's just horrendous, so we could do the exception again. We're gonna have to do quite a lot now. Technically, we have a double typer, but it's not a good one. But the moments are just so strong. Which is good, mind you, we're making a lot of fucking money. Whole Discord seems to be doing pretty good right now. Newer info is always king. Look at this, it'll be fine, yep. This one's not fine. Yep. No. Oh yeah. Maybe a shitty drawing. Something like that, yeah. We have 2 stick touches. So in the hierarchy of drawing candles, you want to go for body, stick, and then congestion. Okay, so we hit another one as well. So that's fine. There's a stick, here's body, and let me find some congestion. Here's some congestion. Here, typical congestion. That's third in line, then you got the stick, then you got the body. Here we go. Okay. No. This one should be like that. Beyond that, I mean, there's not really much to say on it. This one's looking fine. It's just in the middle of breaking out. This is actually interesting. This is an interesting setup. I want to watch this. I think someone on my Discord noted this one as well. If I'm not wrong. Oh, this is the motherfucker that's just ATLing all the time. Could probably just go short on this and win. But don't do that. Because you might catch a rebound. And you need to protect your capital. As a trader, that's your #1 priority. Protecting your capital. So don't do anything that can largely harm your capital. Shit. On the fucking support, and it's still just hammer times it. That's fine. We're gonna do what we've been doing a few times, making exceptions. I forgot to remove this. Yeah, this is fine. Been great money makers. Yeah, it's the same old shit. There's not really a level there though. A volume has been set in now, but there isn't a valid level. We can do the exception again, but I'm going to leave it be for that this pair. It's not traded that often. And we've added it in silver. This is our newest body in here. Body, we're not going to draw on it yet. Gold as well. Gold is traded quite a lot. And gold, oh, gold is looking interesting too. Very. That is looking saucy. Oil price is down the shitter. Nothing new over there. Okay, so we actually have two potentials for opening now in an hour. So for this one, I'm looking for a continuation on the breakout. Potentially tight trade. Remember though, keep in mind when you're entering these, since I've hit my limit, I will not be entering any trades whatsoever. But a continuation on the breakout, follow the standard breakout rules. I'll be posting these in the Discord. And for this one, and another breakout for all-time highs. Especially with SPY going down now, you know how gold functions. Probably dollar demand increase a little bit. Yeah, with that in mind, see, this is a good trade. I've talked about this quite a few times that a lot of traders struggle with gold, but for me, it's an overall great pair. With that said, we've redrawn everything. We've gotten two potentials in, and I think we're good. We're set for the week. I hope you made good gains this week, everyone. And this month, it's been really, really good. I mean, investors are crying right now, but as traders, we're doing good. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.